Okay, now we on our last video we talked about we taught you how to treat typhoid. I said typhoid, sorry, cough for an adult. Now I will tell you how to treat for children as well. Since that one I use Septrin and azithromycin. We have Septrin for children and we have Septrin cotrimazole for that is content for children as well. That is for adults and children. What you need to do is you should know the one you should use for your own kids, please. Okay, now in this azithromycin we have the one which was made by Lean Edge. Look at how it is. Look at how it is. It is just 3 in number, and this 3 now is to be taking some drugs for 5 days. Just take for 3 days, one day for 5 days, for 3 days, and it cures everything called cough and any other bacterial infection in your body. You get? And now this one is for adult. This is adult tablet. This is adult tablet. Now I will show you. Look at the suspension for children. They are not only, this is not the only company you will see in the market, please. There are a lot of company out there. Like this one now, you mix it to up to this line. There is a line in this place where my finger is. You mix it to water and shake it. You know now what to do. Your physician will tell you dosage that will suit your own kids. Please, they will tell you a particular dosage that will suit your own kids. Then what you do is taking daily, just daily, please. 5 days. Thank you. Maybe you don't want to use this. There's other one that is in sachet. It has its own dosage. Take 3 days. Sorry. Look at this other one. This one has this. They already made it for a daily dosage for kids. Now instead of you going to mix this suspension one that you just take for 3 days and the remaining one will just expire. It expires in 7 days because you have mixed it with concentrated water. Now you just take this, add it to a cup. This cup that is used to give children drugs. Just turn it there, add water. It will dissolve on its own. It will just mix on its own. Then you give to the baby or to your kids for 3 good days, and everything about cough has disappeared. Thank you. Or maybe you don't want to use this as well. Like I said about Septrin, we have the suspension and the syrup one. You can still do the same thing. Your physician also will tell you what to do, or the particular dosage you should give to your child when your child is having this type of bacterial infection. And don't always forget to add vitamin C. Maybe your physician might forget, maybe he might be on different emergency case and his attention will not get to you to tell you to add vitamin C. Please don't forget to add vitamin C. It helps it work fast. It helps relieve cause faster. And also go with supplement that will help you too after this cough syrup. I believe that you all has gotten the message from the video on how to treat this infection. This bacterial infection called cough. Thank you. On my next video, like I said the other time, I will be teaching other ones. I'll be talking about weak flu, how to treat the weak. You can see any bacterial infection. You can use Cipro to treat your weak flu. You can use I will tell you about it in my next video. Please continue watching, keep supporting, share. Let people see what they have been waiting to see, or they have been urging to know about this. Thank you.